Hello, CatsGarden&Kettle friends. It's February 15th. We finally are having a break on the weather. The sun comes and goes. I am so happy that I'm able to be outside. It's not so damp anymore, although it's still very slippery. And I wanted to show you something. If you've seen any video on my channel, you know that I grow things and sometimes I let things go to seed. Fall, I let all the leeks go to seed. Well, not all of them. Of course, I harvested some. Yes, but then every time I start filming, it's insane. Kimba, do you want to be part of all the videos? Yes? Okay. Okay, back to what I was saying. And you see this jungle, and there's still debris from the storm. I haven't been there yet. I'm going there now. And then I looked and I saw something. Oh, this all looks like it's weeds and grass. But these are leeks. I'm like, no way. Look. I don't know if it was the birdies or the winds, but these are four. These are 4 leeks just growing in the middle of the weeds. Yes, but yes, but there's you. Yes. So I need to come here, clear the weeds around them. I don't think I'm going to move them from here. If they're growing here, then I'll just let them grow here. And this isn't even a area that gets a lot of sun. This is where the cabbages also grow. I don't sow these. They just keep on reseeding themselves every year. Yes, it's almost next to the forest. Yes, so but I have a lot of cabbages here. I don't even water. I don't do anything. They're just here, and I harvested. And these cabbages are really nice because they are hardy. They can handle everything: wind, frost, hail, and drought. They handle everything by themselves. So I'm very lucky. And I give these cabbages away every week for neighbors and for chickens of the neighbors and everything. So nothing goes to waste. This is what may happen when you let things just go to seed, follow their cycle. Thank you for joining us, and we will see you next time.